Let me just quickly start with showing you why you need to take this message very seriously. So this is us. We generate anywhere between 4 to 12 highly motivated seller leads every single day. These leads are free. I don't lift a finger. I don't spend a cent. They come on autopilot. They come in, day out, week in, week out, year in, year out. And again, I don't do anything. They come in for free. Help me make any sense of this. There are so many investors out there that will do cold calling, direct marketing, abandoned signs, driving for dollars, you name it. And so you either spend a lot of money and or a lot of effort to get leads, and these leads are piss poor quality. So if you take direct marketing for a second, you need to find the list, filter your list, buy that list, buy the mailers, send the mailers, getting a ton of phone calls, people are yelling at you, a bunch of mailers get returned, you have to skip trace these things, and then you do it all over again and over and over again, right? So there's a better way. Don't let me convince you of this. Like, use your head. The best lead is the lead that finds you. It's obvious, okay? If somebody will come to you and say, hey, listen man, I really need to sell my house, can you buy it? When these leads find you, by the time they fill in the form, they already did the homework, they already checked you out, they already decided that they want to pick you, otherwise they wouldn't fill in the form, right? They wouldn't reach out to you. So it's complete, there's no effort, there's no effort when you are dealing with truly organic motivated sellers. So instead of spending all your effort and money on these inferior methods, why not spend that effort on building a website? Yes, it is work, but that work is going to be, you're going to be doing that work once, and after your website is established, there's little to no work to be done. I have my website ranking #1 for 5 years now, and the last time I touched anything on my website was probably 2-3 years ago. Like, I don't even touch my website. I'm still ranking #1, and I'm still getting a bunch of leads. So the way you really automate and you scale your business, if you're serious, is you need to figure out how to automate lead generation, and not just any leads, but motivated seller leads, so you can close more deals, work on your company instead of chasing these deals, working in your company. That is the best way to scale up and become so much more successful. So check out this page. If anything I said makes sense, and if you have any logical brain in your head, yes, it does make sense. Schedule a call with me, and you can tell, right? I don't sugarcoat anything. I'm straight to the point. I will talk to you about how we do it, what you have to do. I will give it to you all for free. That's not a joke. I am so confident in my system that when you see the results that me and my students are getting, you would be crazy not to sign up. Literally, like yeah, you pay money, but you get 10x back. What's the point? And even if you don't spend any money, if you don't want to spend any money, I will still have you out for free. If you see me on Bigger Pockets, that's what I do. I try to help everybody for free. It's hard because I realize that people don't have much logic, that they are very emotional and passionate about their systems. It doesn't matter how many times you not just say, but you show them that direct marketing makes little sense. They don't get it. They just don't get it. So schedule a call with me. I will give it all for free. I will explain it all, take notes, we'll shoot the hay, and we'll take it from there.